Yes. So how's everything going on?
Good, ma'am. How about you?
I am fine, thank you. So what I am doing, see it very carefully so you can also perform this on your own and you can also show me in your camera. So what I am taking this turmeric a little bit and I'm just spreading it on here. And I'm taking a little bit water to make it a paste. And I can do it this with a hand or you can do it with a cotton. So you can have anything, you can use anything. So I'm using cotton, I don't want to dirty my hands here. So what I am doing, I'm taking a cotton and what I'm trying to do, I wanted to create a yellow color page of it. Meanwhile, you can also do that. Those who have this material with them, just try to create this yellow color page. This one is dry, so what I am doing here, now see this one. So we need to understand the complete experiment. In the experiment, what we are doing here, I wanted to understand that the detergent which I use or the lemon which I am eating, it's acidic or basic in nature. So how will I get it? Now see this. So what I am doing, I am taking this, this is your detergent. So what I am doing, I am mixing a little bit water in it to make a detergent paste. As you guys already have a liquid detergent, you don't need to create a paste here. Is it visible?
Yes.
Good. Now what I am doing this, I am taking this cotton bud and I wanted to write my name. Don't do this right now because you will show me one by one. See it this one. Once your yellow paper is created, now focus what I am doing. Okay, I'll give you proper time to show. Good to go?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now understand there are two different things. I have a little white portion, see that I'm writing my name here. Can you see?
No. No.
Now see this one.
Ma'am, it's working.
Yes, it will always work.
I can see it in red color.
Yes, I can see because soap is your basic in nature. See this one, I'm making even more red. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the magic. I'm taking a lemon. Okay. Now this is acid-base reaction, which we are going to learn afterwards. What will happen? Acid will neutralize the base, means it will finish the base. As soon as the acid and base is done, what will happen? My yellow color will retain. So if let's say that somebody doesn't like double A in my name, so what I'm doing? I'm just squeezing my lemon on it. See this magic.
What?
Is the single A is lost?
Ma'am, the second A is getting lost.
Second A is also getting lost. Okay, we can say Yushi.
Ma'am, this is magic.
Yeah, that's magic which they charge very high amount in your fooding. Now see, if I take this lemon, if I'm taking this lemon juice, see this one, and I'm rubbing it anywhere else, it's doing nothing there. Nothing.
Ma'am, because there's no detergent.
Yeah, there is no detergent, there is no color change because this is acidic in nature.
Can we try it?
Acid will not show any color change with turmeric. But as soon as I'll take this, so what we are doing, I wanted to create from Yushi to Yush. So I am rubbing I. Now again I wanted to write, let's say I wanted to make Yush can you give me any word?
Ayush.
Okay. So we can have A again and it will be Ayush. So I can again dip it in the soap solution and what I can have here, I can write Hi Ayush and I can make a small heart here. And heart is already red in color, so I can make it red. Proper red
so
color
good
heart.
for decoration. It's so good
Yes,
for
it is.
decoration.
You can give a card to your parents.
Yeah.
And you can take
Like
a
this-
lemon with that and you can actually mix and rub and show them again and again. So if, like, say, heart is not looking good
Can I
for
do
you,
it now?
just wait, I'll give you the time.
Ma'am, but when we add like lemon with the turmeric, like lemon consists of water, so won't the turmeric wash away?
What's the turmeric portion is? Turmeric portion is doing the color change. Turmeric is basically your indicator. As soon as I'm adding base on it, it is turning red color, showing me that I have a base here. When I'm taking lemon, lemon is your have acidic nature. Acidic nature means it will have no impact on the normal turmeric. This is here. This portion we need to learn that what will happen if I'll take acid and if I'll take a base, then in that case what will happen, they will neutralize the reaction. So what I am doing, I am neutralizing it. See this one. Heart is gone. Is this experiment clear to everyone?
Yes.
Did you enjoy the experiment?
Yes, ma'am.